these wheels and tires into my BMW. Now, obviously you guys know I fit both of these in here. I fit all 4 rims inside of the car, and it was pretty okay, I'll give it that. However, now I have to fit these 2 wide tires. These are the tires that I got for the rear. They are Kumo Eska PS91s, 275/30 ZR19. Now, a lot of you guys don't know, but I've had this set up on my previous car. I like these wheels. I like these tires a lot. However, they are known to wear out a lot quicker than the Firehawks that I bought. It's kind of why I bought the Firehawks, because they were super cheap and they weren't exactly max summer performance. They were also summer performance, which have a higher tread wear. Tire Rack categorizes that. I don't think anyone else does, but they have a higher tread wear, and they last a lot longer. Well, they said they were gonna last a lot longer, but in all honesty, the rears, I do burnouts and everything, so I don't think the rear tires of any of my cars last that long. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and try to cram all of this in the car, and we're gonna swap out the wheels. But first, I need to pull up the Honda, because some of this crap, like my jack and things like that, have to go in the Honda in order for this stuff to fit. So give me 1 second. Cold start. Whoa, hasn't been started in a long time, and boy, I didn't have much faith in it. Let me turn around before someone decides that my wheels and tires are their wheels and tires, and that is a lot of money to be losing. So go ahead and maneuver the Honda Mobile. I'm just gonna get back to you guys when all of this stuff is in the car and let you know how I did it. This is the setup. The 19x10s in the front seat. Look back at the camera stuff. 19x8.5s in the back seat, kind of tilted up, and the 2 tires in the trunk. On the way to get these tires mounted, oh crap, I gotta park the Honda. Oh boy, that was tiring. Yo, if you guys notice, I am like super trying to get in shape. I'm not out of shape, I'm not in shape, I'm in the middle somewhere. I don't know where the middle is, but that's where I'm at. Oh, see, we here, we chilling at N-Track Tire, waiting on the cars to get done so my car can get its lovely wheels put on. I would love to put wheels on myself, however, because I don't have a tire machine, I don't, have all the equipment, the wheel balance and things like that at the shop. So, take it to the tire shop here, and they seem to do a really good job. They have a dyno here, so one day your boy is gonna put his car on a dyno, and we're gonna see what kind of numbers we pushing. But yeah, just taking a look at the lovely candy over here. We got a nice sour apple color GTR right here. We got a nice pearl white, black with matte black hood, Dodge. I think it's a Hellcat Challenger. It has the skinny tires on it, the skinny tires on the front, the Demon, but I think it is in fact just a Hellcat, and just a Hellcat like that. Don't put out 707 horsepower. And then we have a wonderful GTR up there. It is matte black with like these purple blue sexy wheels. Now, funny thing is, that is the color wheels that I wanted to get originally, and everyone was like, oh no, I don't color wheels like that, you're gonna look stupid, you're gonna look like a fool. And I don't know, man. I mean, one day it just might happen. Just might happen. Stay tuned. Hey, and we got the old school right up here. But like I said, I'm sitting here waiting. Hopefully it shouldn't be too much longer. If you guys like it, I know I'm gonna like it. I'm super excited. I kind of wanted to do the brake caliper color before the wheels went on. I ordered it late, so I finally got in the paint. So this is the paint. I'll break that down to you in another video, but I got the paint for the brake calipers. Now I'm waiting on the decals that are going to go on the actual calipers. Like I said, stay patient, wait for me. I'll explain all of that later on, and we're gonna get these wheels put on. All right, guys, peace out. Say goodbye to these spacers, guys, because they're coming off. They should have came off a lot easier, but all that anti-seize that Chris put on it, and it's still in. Still taking a while to come off. We'll see. Just come on. Still look nice. Yeah. Came out nice though. I'm not a fan of dark wheels, but it came out nice. I wrapped this little piece right here red to see how I would like it. Yeah, she did it red with the carbon fiber top piece right there.
She did it herself?
Yeah, she did it herself, yeah. Okay. Concave in the back though. Ain't got nothing on this, but you know. We doing something. Came out nice though. I can pull it out, right? Alright, cool. So I made it to my boy's house to show him off, to show the wheels, see how it look. This right here is the Q50 that I'm gonna be racing. So lock in, guys, and subscribe if you want to see this Q50 get gapped. No, I'm joking. I don't know if it'll get gapped, but I'm gonna try my best. Look at that. It's the Q50 Red Sport. I'll be racing this. This is M4 right here. This is gap.com stock, in the stock form. The Q50 is gonna get gapped, and this could get gapped too. Now this right here, I might have some trouble now.
Oh yeah, right?
I'm recording, by the way. I don't know if you don't want to be seen on the camera.
I just shine it up a little bit.
So where they put the turbo at in this thing, man? Nah, I'm messing with you.
Put like a big 62 right here. Big boost, 40 pounds PSI. It's a new 2J project.
I was looking at the price of a 2J while I was at Intrack. It was like $2,300 for a 2J. It was a 2J GTE?
Yeah.
That's the one, right?
Around $2,300.
Yeah, $2,300. And it came with the tranny too.
That's automatic tranny though.
Oh, automatic?
Yeah.
Oh. So we're going 2J something. Stay tuned for that. Yo, if you 2J this, we're gonna hit 100K.
We gotta hit that, yeah.
We gotta hit it. Matter of fact, yeah, we gotta do some kind of thing. Like if we get like something amount of subscribers, we'll 2J the
240.
The 240. I'm not gonna lie, I like this. What kind of wheels are these?
These are the MST.
MST. It's something about these old school cars that I like, man. I don't know what it is.
They don't make them like this, no?
Yeah, they definitely don't. Oh, this speedometer is gonna be useless, especially after the 2J.
You're gonna put a nice race back in there.
You heard me?
Yeah.
120. It's gonna be pretty much useless. I like the, you know what it is? I realize I like about these old cars. It has a lower slung type of old cars. The dash goes so far up.
Yeah. This is nice and low.
Yeah. Yo, it's clean. It's clean in here, bro. I like the customized black trim you got right here. Custom black trim. No, but we're gonna tune it. We're gonna tune the M4 again. Wait, did the dealer put the new tires on it?
Yeah.
I made a mistake. I did. If anybody want to buy some improper tires, I got them for sale. I ordered the 30 when I should have got the 35. So I just bought this. I paid $70,000 for it. 2019. Wait, did they make M4s in 19 yet?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 2019. Look at that. This right here gets me jealous. Everything else, you can keep everything else. This gets me jealous right here.
I'll give you my first front race.
You give me the... That looks nice, not even gonna lie. And this right here too, this gets me jealous. The air, the water, and the cooler. I got that big dangly looking thing in the front that makes me look like I'm driving like a big turbo Supra.
Sounds like it though. Sounds like a nice 1J coming in.
when it gets in boost, it does. It sounds damn good.
Crazy.
Yeah. Yo, look at the support on this though, bro. This thing is rigid.
Aluminum.
Wait, you have 2 intakes. I never. Oh yeah, duh, because it goes in the front. Put all the boot mode stuff in your car already?
Not in the garage.
Oh. Well, there's one bright side. My car's cleaner. Oh yeah, I told you. I'm not wrapping the roof carbon anymore. I'm gonna just wrap it black because you can't fake this, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. You can't fake it. The carbon doesn't. It will never look like this in its life.
Here's the excuse. The car I haven't been washed since January.
Oh, you're probably right. I thought you were gonna make up an excuse.
The last time we watched it. He's hooking it up to the OBD reader and then straight to the power outlet.
I need to get a new dash too, man. 160 isn't good enough for me anymore.
They get that 200 miles per hour club.
A guy has it in his 335, but I think some of the things don't work on it. You know what I mean? And like you see how your sport mode heads-up display is a lot different.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mine won't look that nice.
Up now, right?
Oh yeah, they do. Well, they probably already know that now. Yeah. They got an app.
All right, so.
Oh yeah, you have to sign into your account. I forgot. The interior is nice though. I'm not gonna lie though, it looks like my interior with exception of like, I feel like it is a little bit higher quality though. Like the gauges look a little bit better. The heads-up display, let me see when you put it in Sport Plus, it changes the heads-up display. It doesn't change the heads-up display? When you put it in Sport Plus?
You gotta go to, there you go.
Oh yeah, see, you see that little RPM gauge? That right there is to die for. Other than that, looks pretty much similar though.
Alright, connected.
Connected? Alright, so just log in. And oh yeah, you could go back. As long as it's blue, we're good to go. So it's blue. Alright, so gotta close the door. You can take the camera.
Do you think?
He already has these maps on here. So we're gonna go stage 1 or GTS? Which one? Stage 1.
We'll put this, yeah, but we have to adjust the burbles on it.
Oh.
I hate the way it sounds with the...
Burble fixes for 4,000 RPM upward. So what, you want the GTS burbles on it?
Yes.
I'm gonna go OTS and see what they do. Everything is OEM. Speed limiter, you're not gonna do above 155, right?
Nah, I got a CDL.
Coming soon. Oh shit. I got a battery charger too, but I didn't bring it. Alright, if you guys look, I'm gonna go to the gauges. I'm gonna try to get there before it starts flashing the car. Right now it's 480, 480. We're gonna come back with the new display while he revs that soon to be 2JZ up. Uh-oh. 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 Wait, you want to rev it up now?
Nah.
Oh, I was about to say. It's flashing. So this is probably one of the scariest things to do. And then not let alone in my car, but in somebody else's car, this is very scary. When you see all the warnings, it's like, yo, I promised this dude, I told him it'll work. It better work or else we're gonna be screwed. But obviously we've done it before, so it works. So it flashes stage 1, and there's also for this car, every car with the DCT, you have, what the hell? Why does it keep? Oh, there we go. Every car with the DCT, you can flash the transmission through. So essentially what the transmission flash does is, what does transmission flash do? Oh yeah, it sends more pressure. Yeah, it engages more pressure to the clutches so it sticks when you're making so much boost, you're smoking 435s, you know. We should have did a pulse for you a stock, man, for the camera. You think that Q50 gonna gap me? All-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive,
Yeah.
V6 twin turbo.
And, yeah, that's cool. Alright, forget it.
Red Sport, 400 horsepower factory.
That's nice. You want to keep, you know what I'm saying? Any other stats you got? Any stats for me, man? Any other stats? It don't have no ZF, I'll tell you that much. It ship hard, the tranny?
No, it shifts just like this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see what those gauges get us. 640 horsepower, 540 pound-feet of torque on the stage 1, so I don't even want to know what numbers is pushing, like stage 2 catless downpipe, all stuff like that. Yo. We good?